you wish to generate 5x more leads for your business at your existing budget and you are tired of running the regular ads that are expensive and do not generate quality leads? If yes, you are at the right place. Let me introduce you to Click to WhatsApp ads powered by AI Sensei. Hi everyone, my name is Shashvi and I'm a customer success specialist at AI Sensei. And in this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about running Click to WhatsApp ads with AI Sensei. Let's start by understanding what are Click to WhatsApp ads. You must have seen ads running on Facebook and Instagram with CTA button Connect on WhatsApp. When users click on this button, they are redirected to WhatsApp where the business can further engage with the customer with chatbot, live chat and much more. These ads which take user direct to WhatsApp are called Click to WhatsApp ads. Now you might be wondering why should you run Click to WhatsApp ads with AI Sensei. Let me share the top 5 reasons. The first and the biggest benefit of running Click to WhatsApp ad is one-click instant lead generation. All users that land on your WhatsApp and send you a message instantly become a lead and their name and phone number stored in AI Sensei. Second, you only get high-quality leads by running Click to WhatsApp ads. This is because AI Sensei's Ads Manager uses purchase optimization and AI to reach an audience that are genuinely interested in your offerings. It has conversion APIs that monitors users' action on WhatsApp and sends signals to Meta to show your ads to the high-intent users. Third, Click to WhatsApp ads are really cost-effective. Unlike landing page ads, where leads often drop off without submitting their details, Click to WhatsApp ads ensure better ROI. You can generate 5x more quality leads at the same budget with these ads. Fourth, you can segregate the leads into relevant categories. Re-engage them with targeted broadcasts where you can send attractive carousel card and limited time offer messages and build trust for your brand. Last but not the least, it's free. Yes, AI Sensei offers forever free plan to run Click to WhatsApp ad. Plus, you will get 500 Meta Ads credit to get started. Sounds exciting, right? Now let me show you how to create and run these ads with AI Sensei. To get started, you only need one thing, a Facebook page on which you wish to run your Click to WhatsApp ads. If you already have an approved WhatsApp API number linked with AI Sensei and want to use it to run ads, then make that number as a primary number on your Facebook page. And you must have admin access of your Facebook page and Facebook business account. This Facebook page should be linked with your Facebook account with full control access. In case you don't have a WhatsApp business API number with AI Sensei, you can use your WhatsApp business number to run your Click to WhatsApp ad via AI Sensei. For this, you must ensure that your WhatsApp business number is the primary number in your Facebook page and Facebook business account. And you should have the full admin access to both of them. If you have this ready, head to the AI Sensei dashboard and go to Ads Manager. Under Setup, select Continue with Facebook and choose the business manager you want to use. Click on Opt in to all current and future businesses and click Continue. Next, select Opt in to all current and future pages and grant AI Sensei the necessary permissions to set up the ad account for your page and business. Once done, click Save and then got it. Click Send OTP to link your WhatsApp API number to your Facebook page. This step enables the Create Ad button in AI Sensei. That's it. Your Meta ad setup is live and you are good to go. Now you are all set to create your first Click to WhatsApp ad. Once you have selected the Facebook page and linked your WhatsApp API number, click on Create Ad. Here, give your ad campaign a name. Write the primary or caption text that will be visible to your users who see your ad. Make the first line really engaging for better engagement rates. Next, add a suitable headline for your ad that conveys your communication in few words. Once your headline is ready, upload your ad creatively. This can be an image as well as a video. You can even preview your ad in real time for better clarity. Once your creative is ready, tap next to move on to ad targeting. Targeting is the most important part of creating your ad as this ensures that your ad shows to audience with a higher chance of conversion. Select the regions, cities or countries where you want your ad to appear. You can even use radius-based targeting to narrow down to specific areas. Let's say you wish to target an audience from Patel Nagar in Delhi. You can select a particular radius of audience to target between 1 kilometer to 80 kilometers. This makes your targeting more detailed. If your ad is aimed at a specific gender or age group, you can set that here. For platform-specific ads, choose Facebook, Instagram, or both. Next, pick the age group of your target audience. Now, let's come to advanced targeting. Here, you can optimize your ad targeting by selecting audiences with particular interest, demographics, and behaviors. For example, if you want to reach Shopify users or CMOs, just type the relevant keywords, select the option, and you are good to go. For best results from your ad campaign, tap into the power of this feature to ensure your ads only show to people with high interest in your offerings. Now, set your daily ad budget and choose a start and end date for your ad campaign. Review the estimated reach of your campaign at the bottom right section of the page. And if you are satisfied with it, click Publish Ad. Before running your ad, kindly ensure you have enough ad credits in your account to successfully run the campaign. You can easily add credits for your ad campaign in the ad campaign dashboard itself. You don't need to go to Facebook Ad Manager to recharge your credits. Now, Meta will review your ad, and once it is approved, it will go live. This takes any time between 10 minutes to 1 hour. Congratulations, you have successfully created your first click to WhatsApp ad with AI Sensei. To monitor your ads performance, go to the ads dashboard. Here you will find key metrics like cost per click, impressions, total and unique clicks, and the number of leads generated in the particular ad campaign. For experimentation, you can also edit the ad targeting to see how it performs. From the ad analytics section, you can re-engage your leads with targeted broadcasts. For the best result on your ad campaign, we suggest you add a WhatsApp chatbot that engages users whenever a lead lands on your WhatsApp. This way, you can ensure that your leads always receive a response from your business. Whether it's 12 at midnight or a holiday, the chatbot will respond to your customer queries 24/7. You can use the chatbot to showcase your product catalogs, send template messages, collect payments directly within WhatsApp, qualify users via WhatsApp form, and much more. And that's it. We hope this video helps you effortlessly run click to WhatsApp ads with AI Sensei. Thank you for watching.